Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a breakdance. To begin, sketch a dynamic stick figure to capture the raw energy of the move. Think about the overall flow and balance, ensuring your initial lines convey motion. Use simple, foundational shapes like circles for the head and joints, and lines for the limbs. This initial framework is crucial for establishing the pose and ensuring your dancer looks powerful and fluid on the page. Next, build volume around your stick figure using basic geometric forms, like cylinders for limbs and an oval for the torso. Exaggerate angles to truly convey the dynamic motion and power inherent in breakdancing. Consider the dancer's weight distribution. For instance, if they are on one hand, ensure that point of contact feels grounded. This step transforms your initial sketch into a more three-dimensional and lifelike figure. Now, let's add the details that bring your dancer to life. Sketch loose-fitting clothing, such as baggy pants or a hoodie, ensuring it flows with the body's movement. Include specific accessories like sneakers, a baseball cap, or wristbands to enhance authenticity. Don't forget the facial expression. A focused gaze or an intense grimace can powerfully reflect the dancer's concentration and energy during their performance. Finally, it's time for shading and finishing touches. Apply shading to create depth, highlighting the muscle definition and the folds in the clothing. Use strong, confident lines to define edges and add visual impact, making your dancer pop off the page. Step back and review the overall composition, ensuring the pose maintains its balance and dynamic energy. With these steps, you'll have a compelling breakdance drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.